In today's video, we attach two action cameras to a 35 miles per hour remote control car. What could possibly go wrong? Guys, welcome to the video. So this is my new favorite remote control car. I absolutely love it. So I've attached an Insta360 1X2 on top of this car as well. And this is the DEERC300e model. It's an all-terrain off-road truck and it is rapid. Comes with this remote controller. It's on a 2.4 gigahertz channel, so a really long range on it. You get two different shells to customize the color of the car and two batteries, getting you around about 20 minutes of battery life per battery. So a really good range and battery life on this, and I love it. So what could possibly go wrong? So I wanted to test out, first of all, trying to get some shots with this car, and it is so much fun. So if you're a adult or a kid or you want an RC car for Christmas, this is amazing. Forget about drones, this is so much fun. But watch what happens as we're driving this with the first camera on top of it. So yes, not the best start. I did use a third-party sticker on top of this to try and mount it, so not great. But how cool was that 360 footage on this Insta action camera? It's such a great camera. But I tried again here and it kept slipping. So before we completely wreck this camera, I'm going to switch over to the Insta Go 2 in a second because that fits perfectly on here. But I want to show you just how fast this is. It is a monster. So on the controller, you've got a speed switch and a steering trim switch. Now this speed switch can be turned all the way to the right hand side to get 60 kilometers. That's 35 miles per hour speed from this thing. It is absolutely insane just how fast and responsive this is, but also got a really good range. Now it is brushless, so it's going to last a lot longer than a brushed motor, but with these high speeds, this is just so much fun. I've never got into RC cars before, but from using something like this, I am now addicted. You can just change the battery just by unclipping it here, just take the shell off. Just takes a couple of seconds, put the new battery in, and then you're going to have another 20 minutes of battery life. Now, if you use the full speed at 35 miles per hour speed, then that battery life will go down faster. But you know, this is so fast. Even in normal low speed mode, it's going to go 15 miles an hour. So it is an absolute rocket. Bags of fun, and it can be used on mud, sand, stone, or mountainous roads with these big fat tires on it. It's great fun. So what we're going to do now is we're going to switch over now to the Insta360 Go 2, that smaller camera, and then just show you what kind of animal this thing becomes. This thing is an animal, isn't it? And it is so responsive. My drone was actually having a hard time because it's so responsive, even trying to follow this. What a fantastic car. I am loving it. And if you want to go and pick this up, I'll give you a discount code at the end of this video. I'll show you how to get this a little bit cheaper. But what a fantastic gift. You don't have to be a mechanic or anything to get this going. It comes assembled straight out of the box. But what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to bring it back to me. I'm going to put that into full 35 miles per hour full speed mode, and then let you experience just how fast this is. Just before I do that, I'm just going to stop it and then just make sure that camera is fully secure. But I cannot wait to show you some more videos of this. It is so much fun. But yeah, if you're looking for a present, forget for anybody else, get this for yourself. These are so much fun. Watch this. So that was so much fun, one of the most fun videos I've filmed in a while. And this is the 300e model by DEERC. Comes with 2 extra shells. You can mount action cameras on top of here. The go-to is perfect for on top of here, sticks right on top of the roof. These big fat chunky tires means you can drive this on different terrain, off-road, mud, sand, stone, whatever you throw at it, this keeps on going. The remote control is ace as well. It's got a speed switch as we discussed before. You can also adjust the trim, and because it's 2.4 gigahertz, it's a really good long range channel, and I've had no issues with range. The adjustments here for the steering is super responsive. It is an absolute animal. It is so much fun, and I cannot wait to go and test this more. I've been driving this more than fly my drones. I'm loving it. It comes with some different accessories, comes with an extra battery, so you get 2 batteries. It comes with some screws and different mounts if anything falls off. It comes with a screwdriver. You know, they look after you here, and it all comes with the charger and a case as well. So you've got everything in this box. It's currently £119 on Amazon in the UK, and if you put this code in, which is on screen now, this will get you an extra 5% off as well. So it's a fantastic gift for yourself or for somebody else. It's going to be fully assembled, so you don't have to spend your Christmas day building this thing. Just go out and have loads of fun with it. If you want to check it out, I'll link it in the description below. What a fun video that was, and let me know if you are picking this up, you've already got one. It'd be great to hear from you. Take care. Bye bye.